Alright, hey guys, brand new video. It's been about a week since I've uploaded. I'm sorry for that. I've just been really busy the past few weeks. That's why I haven't been able to get too many uploads in, especially for the December 14th and 15th releases, which was yesterday and today, because this video is going up on Saturday. Also, not to mention, since this video is going up on Saturday, let's say tomorrow is Sunday, so tomorrow is the Kais Omar pop-up shop in the Bay Area, California, at the Fix Kicks in San Jose. I'm gonna be going to that. I'm gonna bring a camera. I'm gonna record, try to upload it in the probably Monday or Tuesday. But today, as you guys can see by the title of this video, we have a pretty good unboxing for this video. Now, as you guys can see, the title price says like $3,000 unboxing or something. Supreme box logo and a designer bag. And it's only 2 items, $3,000 for 2 items, the one being a box logo. In terms of resale, I calculated the box logo and retail/resale for the bag. Hopefully you guys can see it right here. But anyways, I know you guys want to see this box logo first back here. So that's why we're going to be doing the bag first. This is actually a Fendi bag. The retail is about $2,000 to $2,500. I haven't been able to justify an exact price, about $2,000 to $2,500. It's not a full backpack. It's one of those mini bags, but it is still a men's bag. So if you put it around the back, I think it looks weird just because it's small. I personally like holding it, you know, like if you're walking or something, then you just like hold it down here. I can't show that. Actually, yeah, like it just looks better in my opinion if you hold it down here. Instead of the back, just because it is one of those smaller bags, so it does look a little odd, but again, still very fire, of course. And this is actually brand new, and no, I did not spend $2,000 to $2,500 on a bag. It's brand new though. I actually got it for free, and it's brand new because I have my ways. You know, you guys just gotta learn that I got my ways. So I got this brand new Fendi backpack for free, and I can actually use it too. So I'm definitely going to be bringing this tomorrow on Sunday at the pop-up. It's super dope in my opinion. Of course, on the front you have this monster, you have the yellow eyes with the mouth, I guess. Red inside right here, if you guys can see. Just this normal zipper on the inside. Again, just your normal pockets. You guys can see the Fendi Roma tag right here. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, there's another zipper in the back here. Then on the back you have your normal buckles, because I guess some people do like to use it around the back, which for this bag I personally don't. But then you also do have another zipper right here. I really don't think I'll be using any zipper other than this front one and maybe this one. Super dope in my opinion. Again, Fendi Monster backpack. Super dope, yellow eyes again with the mouth. It's your normal classic Fendi. The normal Fendi styles that most people know of is like the F and the F, like one is normal, one is upside down. That's what most people know. Along with this normal monster design, most people see it with like the 2 eyes and sometimes the mouth. Usually just the 2 eyes. So this is pretty classic in my opinion. A lot of people do like this design. Super fire in my opinion. Again, worth about $2,000 to $2,500. Brand new. I got this for $0 for free, brand new. Of course, this is authentic. And just so you guys know, when I make these kinds of videos, unboxings, all that, oh, I got so many pairs of Jordans. I copped so many at my mall or whatever. My intention is not to flex. My intention is more to create a dope video, a banger, something that you guys will enjoy, an unboxing. I know most of my videos revolve around Supreme and sneakers, but since I did have this, just the Supreme unboxing would be a little too short, so I just decided to add this in there. Again, my intention is not to flex. I mean, I didn't even pay anything for this, so I can't really be flexing at all anyways. But again, Fendi backpack right here, or not a backpack, more of a mini backpack or a bag, I guess, which you can hold right here. Super dope in my opinion. I'm definitely going to be using this for a while before I end up selling it, because honestly, in my opinion, when I have a bag that's worth $2,000 to $2,500 and I paid nothing for it, why would I keep it? Because it's not like I'm never going to use something like this. I mean, it's not like a wallet or anything, which I already have. This is just kind of useless for $2,000 to $2,500, especially for me, because it's not like I'm gonna use this every day. I have school every day anyways, and on the weekends maybe I probably won't use this more than 4 or 5 times a month, so it's kind of useless. I'm gonna use it a few times, obviously, gotta break it in, but then I'm gonna end up selling it probably for about 1K. Super cheap. I'm not gonna charge full price. I'll sell it for like about 1K in super good condition, even brainy if I end up not using it. But anyways, that was the Fendi backpack, monster backpack. Now let's get into the good stuff. So week 16, Supreme Fall Winter 18. What a week it was, because we cooked up one of the most hyped items of the season. Actually, probably the most hyped item of the season, not the most hyped colorway, but the Supreme fluorescent pink terracotta salmon, whatever color you want to call it, box logo. This is so fire in my opinion, bro. What box logo has the Supreme have that's never been hyped? I mean, look at this. I was thinking about whether I wanted to open it up or not, and I decided I do, just because Supreme, when you open it on the end, they tape it up anyway, so I can just retape it after I put it back. So let's just open this right here. Man, I am so hyped on this. This is a size large, by the way. So it says right here, so I can't fit it, unfortunately. But, by the way, in case you guys are wondering, I try to upload this video as soon as possible, because it came on Friday, yesterday, in the evening. That's why it's going up on Saturday, today. But, it came in a little late. Hopefully you guys didn't sell yours already, because if you guys have the opportunity to, then definitely hold on to this, just because all box logos, especially these CREWNECKs, second CREWNECK, I guess, or yeah, first since 2015, I believe, this will go up in value. Right now, most are going for about 600. In a couple years, these are gonna be crazy, dude. I'm telling you. That's why I'm holding on to this, just because it's a large. Anyways, I can't fit it right now. If I can fit it, it would be in a couple years. That's why I just want to hold on to it for a couple years. Once the value does go up on all these dead stock CREWNECKs, super fire. I have been liking the Supreme designs when they have the color on color, like the box logos, like the terracotta or the fluorescent pink, and the actual solid background color is fluorescent pink. I actually do like that. I am a fan of it. Man, I never thought I would be holding a Supreme box logo, dude. This is crazy. Alright, so let's just open this up right here. Man, this video is already pretty long. I don't know how. Oh, I'm so dumb. So, just, you can watch me struggle to open this up, because I'm trying to open it up a little properly, you know, because we gotta keep this in good shape, especially since I'm holding on to it, you know. Oh, okay, oh, that was actually pretty good. I'm happy. Bro, what is this wrapping, bro? I can't, huh? Oh, well, I kind of messed that up, but, alright. So, inside of the, oh yeah, this is just normal Supreme paper. I think it comes with, like, every CREWNECK sweatshirts, all that, just for, like, the extra protection, I guess. So, we'll get rid of this. I don't need no crumpled up printer paper, but I guess I will do have to keep it. But, oh, the satisfaction of pulling out a Supreme box logo for retail for the first time ever. This is so sick, dude. Oh my god. I don't even know how I can, like, review this. Is there something inside here? I believe I thought this was supposed to be embroidered. Yeah, this is embroidered. So actually, if you guys did not know, this box logo is embroidered, not screen printed. This is embroidered, which I am a fan of, actually. Do I want to open this? My folding skills aren't too great, so I'll try to do this good. Man, this is so sick with the sleeves. Ooh, this is so massive on me, dude. Oh my god. Supreme box logo CREWNECK fluorescent pink. Picked it up for retail, boys.
For retail, of course, for retail, boys.
But this is super dope in my opinion. The video's running a little long. I'll try to shorten this up now. Again, you have your Supreme tags right here. Maybe in the future I want to make like authentication tips for Supreme, because I feel like that's something a lot of people would like help on or would use. Because I've had a few people ask me, not through one of my videos, but they've asked me like, yo, can you help me out? Is this legit? So I do want to make that in the future. Now I'm just going to put this on, even though it is a large, so let's just skip to that. Alright guys, look at this. The satisfaction of trying on a box logo for the first time. And yes, bro, this is like massive on me, dude. This is like hanging so low. And look at these sleeves though. But this is just so fire. It's the first time I've ever cooked a box logo for retail. I've never even owned a box logo before this anyway, so first time I've had a box logo ever. First time I'm trying to get onto. This is just so dope, dude. You guys have no idea how happy I am right now. First time I've ever gotten a box logo. We got that bag too. This is just crazy, man. We're going far places, guys, I'm telling you. We're going far, but anyways, this BOGO's so dope. So is that Fendi bag. Pretty much, I guess that'll wrap up the video. If you guys did enjoy, of course, please drop a like, comment, subscribe, share my channel. It would be really, really appreciated, because I do want to actually do this constantly, you know, as YouTube. It would be really, really appreciated if you guys could leave some feedback of what kind of videos I should make, how I should change them, what you think would help me make my videos better, I guess. Any feedback, any suggestions, any comments. If you guys cooked a box logo, any of your recent pickups, anything at all, just, you know, please comment it down below. Like, subscribe, share my channel. Again, I'll be vlogging the Kais Omar pop-up. But anyways, that's going to wrap up today's video. I know it's been about a week. Fendi bag, Supreme box logo, which I'm super hyped about. But anyways, it's been Shloke Sneakers, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.